It's Codename.
Welcome back, welcome to Codename. I wish I could show the whole name. I wish I could take the blurs off. I wish I could show the whole thing, but this is Codename LWTA. Man, we back, bro. Look, man, I called this aloe vera plant an ivory like 4 times in the video the other day. And man, I rushed through the editing. You know, normally when I ain't saying I don't mess up words, but normally I go in the video and put some caption, be like every time I would have said ivory, I would have be like, aloe vera. This is not an ivory. This is an aloe vera. But look, bro, I ran through the editing so fast, bro. I left the end screen off. You know why? I'd be like, hey y'all, come, thank you for watching, man. Yeah. At last, let grass grow. Codename the water. Holla at me. Yeah. I left all that off, bro. I had to go back and put that on. That's how y'all got the little smoke looking thing. You see y'all seen how it ended with the little cool little smoke, like whoosh. Yeah, bro. But luckily I did leave the title off, the end screen off at first, because then I was able to go learn something new when I did go back and put it on. But long story short, if you watched the last video, you know I was sizing this little thing right here up, man. And I said, so I don't get fired from my plant sitting duties, I said I was gonna add an ivory into the equation and be like, all right, let me get this little sibling right here, but you get this ivory back. So now you lose a sibling, but you gain a new plant. That was the plan. So the plan was to put the ivory in here with the aloe vera. And you see I did. But as I was doing this, I was thinking to myself, I was like, man, this plant got spikes on it, bro. Any plant with spikes on it, basically it developed the genetic code of leave me the fuck alone, stay the from by me. That's typically what that means. And with this being an ivory, it don't take a rocket science to see, bro. This is a bad idea. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just give Pops a whole aloe vera. Now I'm calling the ivory aloe vera. I'm gonna give Pops its own pot for its own ivory. And when I went and picked on the plant, I went and picked a plant that already came in contact with the ground, so it already tried to make roots, was already making roots. So I think this would be a good little cutting to start off with. And this one right here already been in contact with the ground and came in contact with soil, so it's already ready to go do its thing. And we'll pull this up. Man, my finger. And we'll go ahead and pull this up. And you see I pulled this one because it already, you know, got a nice root on it. So that's where we at, man. I pulled the caper. I'm probably fired from plant sitting because I done stole a piece of the plant. But did I steal it or did I replace it? And is this a change in barter system, or was this something to lose your plant sitting job over, man? Holla at me, man. It's Codename. Holla at me. One. Alright, Team LaWater, we got the ivory in the pot. Nah, I'ma caption the title. Was this theft or even exchange? Was this theft or even exchange? I take this, you get that. And y'all don't worry if the ivory don't look all pretty and stuff right now. You know, it's going through trauma, real life trauma. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna adapt and it's gonna kick in real strong. But if you're wondering how it'll look, I made a plant for my neighbors, and I'm about to try to do like some sneaky little. I'm about to scan over there, y'all, cause I be watching that plant. Like if I was like somebody who was to sell somebody a puppy across the street, you know, that person would be looking like, oh man, he ain't feeding that dog right. Man, look at that dog, man. Look what he doing to my dog, man. And on the flip, he be like, man, damn, that dog look good, man. God damn, what you feeding that dog, man? You know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and take us a, see if we can, let's see. I'm trying not to be noticed. Let's see if y'all can see her. This ain't no, man, y'all can't really make that out. I down there have to go. Over there. Alright, things was getting a little weird, man. I was all under the carport, zooming on my neighbor house. Then I went and got in my truck, see if I can get a better shot. Then I went, peeking through the bushes. It just started to feel a little creepish, man. It started getting like some creep vibes. So I hit my wife up like, hey, man. Well, I told my wife, hey, hit them up, man. Tell them, let me get a picture of that plant. But this a plant I made last one. I gave it to him in the spring, and it looked beautiful. So if you're wondering about the plant I'm about to get a pops, no matter how raggedy it look right now, it will turn into something beautiful. And I'm out. Codename 1.
It's Codename.